Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. Today we're talking salmon fillets. Now my wife and I, we love salmon fillets and we have these almost every single week during the summertime. And what we like to do is we get them from Whole Foods and they're already in the marinade. This is called Mediterranean herb salmon. It's got olive oil, lemon juice, parsley, garlic, rosemary, oregano, salt, and pepper. This is a really great marinade and you could easily make your own. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is just to throw these on the grill and have a wonderful, tasty, and super healthy summertime meal. So stick around. When I'm making salmon fillets, I really do prefer the nice thick grates on the Weber Q over my other grills. And so I'm going to start today by preheating the Q for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes on high, we're going to give these grates a nice scrape down because when you're making fish, it has a tendency to stick, so you want super clean grates. Next, we'll add some oil to a paper towel and holding it with tongs, we'll oil the grates again to help prevent the fish from sticking. We're going to lower the gas from high to medium high, and then we're going to add our lovely fresh salmon fillet. We're going to go flesh side down, so skin side up to begin with. And we'll close the lid and give this between 4 to 5 minutes. This is a little tricky to do on camera without screwing it up. But what you want to do is, after that 4 to 5 minutes, it shouldn't stick and you should be able to flip it just like that. And we'll close the lid and cook this to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've got our meat thermometer here. This is about 10 minutes after I flipped it. We're getting in that 140 to 145 temperature range. That's what we're looking for. And now it's time to take the fillet off the grill and give it a taste. So that's how easy it is to grill salmon. And you don't have to be intimidated by grilling fish if you just follow this technique. It's really simple, and let's take a look. You can see how nice and flaky that is. I can't wait to taste this. It's delicious. It's perfect. I just love to grill salmon. It's so good. Just 5 minutes on the flesh side. Flip it over and then cook it to 145 degrees. And you will have perfectly cooked salmon on your grill every single time. It's really, really good for you too. I mean, salmon's got healthy omega-3 oils, great for your heart, and so definitely, this is something you want to have in your diet. Give this a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out, and of course, keep on grilling.